The young agitators are on the Kathmandu roads, and joining them is former Chief Justice of Nepal, Sushila Karki ji, who's with us right now. Justice Karki, the protest is on, the curfew is also on. There were several killed and many more injured. What do you think? Is government going on the right track?
The government persons who are, they are allowed to do the legal work. This is a criminal work of government, I have seen in that this must not have to be yesterday, because neither Hitler had did such kind of action in his time. Hitler had not put children on the gas chamber, nor our ex-ruler, Rana ruler, have killed any child or hanged any child.
You think the atrocities took place on the streets of Kathmandu yesterday, but the protesters here are saying it's not about the social media ban. It is about the corruption, the economic crisis of the country.
Everything. This is the movement we have felt. This is the movement against corruption. This is the movement against the ban. This is the movement of the monopoly of the government. This is the movement of the not applying the rule of law in this country. And each and every people who are fighting here, they are actually the children of those people who have gone out of the nation to work as a labor. And they are
earn a living abroad. So the government has also appealed to the protesters to take back their protest marches, and also reassured that whatever happened yesterday will be investigated and a report will be given in 15 days. Is it convincing enough?
No. This is out of, because yesterday they should not have to, have to use the guns and bullet, This not have to be done.
It shouldn't have happened. And
because these children actually what they were demanding, they were on a silent movement. They were in a peaceful movement, because I can prove it that no student have any kinds of arms, lathi, nothing in their hands.
So what's the way forward? My last question, what is the way forward? Because things are going out.
The thing is, this government should be collapsed.
They should step down. But who leads the country then?
The youth.
New generation.